Well, good day, my ladies and my gents. Happy Monday. Uh, I thought I would go through and talk about. I'm going to start my phase 2 of the Bootleggers Ball. Uh, it's a group build hosted over by Tiffany at Dirt Road Cinderella and Kyle at RKD Scaleworks. And uh, it's like I said, it's hosted on Facebook. So if you don't have a YouTube channel, you're not posting videos on YouTube, you can post photos over on Facebook. I cannot link a Facebook page onto YouTube with my iPhone. For some reason, the three of them just are arguing with me over it. They won't let me do it. I don't have a computer. I've done all this time on my phone, and I'm doing happy with my phone. But there are certain things it just doesn't work. So, anyway, this is going to be my police car, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all this happy stuff. The doors. This is a 1997 issue of this. The doors open. The tailgate opens. Uh, the hood opens. It's in 4 parts, and it comes with hinges. Yeah, but they don't include any glass. They have a sheet of plastic. You can get it out here for you to. Yeah, they have a bit of paper. They've got a sheet of real thin plastic. I've also got some other really thin stuff that you can use. And you just basically, it gives you a template in the instructions for you to cut it out and glue it in. It also has a decal sheet. I don't know how good it is, and it's got individual decals for all of the little nooks and crannies. But it looks like you're going to have to go through. You can kind of see, like here, where the outer part is of the decal. I got a feeling you're going to have to trim that close in order to get it to use. But I'm just going to go through and I'm going to do it all one whop. Use my tried and true some tan color, some uh, wood stain, and I don't know, maybe a little something to darken it up a bit more if I want, like the smoke, the Tamiya, what is it, X19 clear black, they call it smoke acrylic. I don't know, might do that. But anyway, um, you notice this is super clean, the purple stuff, and I've got it in there to take the chrome off. Looks like the chrome is coming off, but it looks like I may still have a lot of that blue flux on there. So I'm going to leave it for a while. I may need to put it in some alcohol or something and get it out, get the rest of it off. But I've got all kinds of stuff. The drivetrain, the rear axle, the drive shaft, the front suspension parts, the springs, everything is chromed. The carburetor. They've got a deal here. Let me show you on the instruction sheet. Pull out the instruction sheet. Yeah, here we go. Flip the page. Yeah, they got some speed parts on here that's kind of cool. They got a dual carb setup. They got some fancier heads and some zoomy exhaust to fit in it. I thought I would use that. You know, the police are hopping up their car a bit to try to catch the shine runners. I'm going to do another one if I have time. I'm going to do it. I'm going to put a flathead in that one. This one, there's just not quite enough room in this for the flathead to fit and the hood to close. So I'm just going to go with the kit engine. And for what it's worth, Josh is teased that he has a 4-cylinder Ford for the Model A and Model T Fords that's coming out soon. Yeah, be sure to head on over to bcgresins.com. Go down to the bottom of the homepage and you can get the newsletter and sign up there, and you can be notified when that he'll send out a newsletter when that becomes available. And he just came out with some new stuff, and including a trailer kit and some other nifty things. So go check out that. Yeah, when you do find it, be sure and use promo code Jester10 when you check out. Save you 10% on your order. Does not include shipping, which is all of $6. So, but yeah, okay, got that out of the way. Hey, nice segue. Anyway, onward. So I think I'm just going to do with the stock engine with the fancier parts on it. I may or may not put the zoomies. I may put the exhaust. I haven't quite decided yet. Way I'm going to do it is the fenders, of course, are going to be black. The top is black. And let me see. Yeah, they got a real pretty representation here. I'm going to make this a darker wood. And this portion is going to be white. And I've got decals that came off of the, what is it, the AMT 1927 police car. I still have the decal sheet. I'm going to put these up on the hood right up along here. It comes with a couple of lights on the hood ring here, and I'm going to paint some red in that. So, but yeah, I think it'll come out to be a pretty sharp little police car. I have, let me pull this off and go over here. My stash. I have a Gangbusters. The, what is it, 27 Lincoln? And if you'll look right along here, there's a guy standing. There's also a guy sitting in this kit. And I may keep the guy sitting in the front seat and him standing out beside it. So, yeah, that's what I got going on. The group build goes on through April 15th, tax day. So you still got time to go out if you want to hang out with it. Just be sure and go ahead on over to Facebook. In the search bar, put in Bootleggers Ball, and it'll come up with the one for Tiffany and Kyle, and you can get all the information there. So basically, the only real caveat is that it has to be something with moonshine. And you do somewhere, it would be nice for you to use some VCG resin stuff. And so far, this is going to be the second box stock that I put together. The third one, I'm going to put some VCG engine, maybe even a quick change rear end or something like that in it. So, yeah, see what happens there. So, I want to get go ahead and get this one going. Really get after it in the morning. It's 3 o'clock out here now, and things have kind of been going a little sideways today. And I did get it washed today, and I did get the stuff in the magic purple cleaner. So, but yeah, I'm looking forward to this, and I want to get that done because I've got a big project involving a chopped Peterbilt and a lowered frame that I want to get on, and I may need to take a break from it from time to time, and I'll do phase 3, the Shiner car that goes along with the Shiner truck and the police car. So first time doing figures with these, and that's a learning experience, learning how to paint them. So yeah, but yeah, be sure to check out bcgresins.com. Head on over. Dirt Road Cinderella and RKD Scaleworks are both YouTube channels, and both are great builders. Check them out. I really hope someday to be half as, or even 10% as good as they are. So, but anyway, thanks for letting me ramble. Tiffany, Kyle, thanks for doing this. Glad to finally be getting around to working on this thing again. So, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. BTEX signing out.